teaching you about biomes. Biomes are amazing. They consist of what the world is made of and are so important to all the places we live, all the places amazing animals live. So, but each animal is distinct. Well, some of them are distinct to their biome. Like snakes, they're cold-blooded creatures, so they need to be in the desert. Because if they were in somewhere like the Arctic, then they wouldn't be able to survive because they need to have hot air and heat for them to be able to survive. Okay, so these are the two biomes I will be telling you about today. I was telling you about the Arctic and chaparral. Chaparral is where I specifically live, and it's amazing here. Anyway, back on to that later. So, the Arctic doesn't have many animals, but it is a very, very, cold place. And the food, especially in the winter, is very, very scarce. So it's mostly just a big fight between people, animals and packs, to get that food. Because if they don't have the food, then they won't be able to survive. So finding food in the Arctic is so important to them, to the animals, because you don't know if your pack is going to survive if you don't have food. Also, another really cool thing about the Arctic and the animals in the Arctic is that wolves and stuff, they would grab their food, bury it in the snow in the winter, and that would basically be a homemade refrigerator. So that's pretty cool. Anyway, some of the animals that make up this biome are the Arctic wolf, the Arctic hare, Arctic fox, the Arctic weasel, and lemmings. Lemmings are prey to almost all the other animals because they're basically small and they are easy to catch for some other species, and sometimes I'm pretty sure that that babies, when they have to go out and hunt for their parents, and when they're learning to hunt, they go out and hunt lemmings. So, feel bad for the lemmings. My second thing is about chaparral. It's amazing here, but it is plagued by wildfires. There's one going on right now, and it's so close to my house. It's not really so close, but it's pretty close to my house, and the air quality sucks here. It sucks so bad that we're probably going to have to evacuate in a bit. But that aside, the chaparral is wonderful. There's a lot of wonderful plants, and there's also a lot of wonderful, animals. The mountains are so pretty. We have one of the best views of the mountains from where I live, and every day it's so cool just going out there and seeing, wow, and being able to say, wow, the view is amazing. So that's really cool. Also, we're an hour from a lot of cool places. There's an amazing beach an hour away from us, and there's also a lot of different really cool places and historic places. And I would suggest going to chaparral if you wanted to go on vacation to a different biome. So, some of the animals that live in the chaparral are coyotes, also jackrabbits, mule deer, alligator lizards, horned toads, the praying mantis, which we have like a few under our umbrella stands near our pool. Also honeybees and ladybugs. There are a lot of animals. I couldn't list them all in this, but there's a lot of animals that are amazing and unique to this place. Some of them I did not list here, but just it's amazing living here. Some of the plants are Tyrone, Shamus, poison oak, shrub oak, euchma, and other shrubs. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Sorry if I didn't. So that's basically all. Anyway,